In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password on Zoho Mail. Whether you've decided it's time for an update or you're following best practices for security, changing your email password is a great way to protect your account. Let's walk through the process together, step by step. First, go ahead and open your preferred web browser and navigate to the website, mail.zoho.com. Once you're there, you'll be prompted to log in. Enter your credentials to access your Zoho Mail inbox. It's always a good idea to ensure you're on a secure network and that the website URL matches exactly. This helps protect your account details. After successfully logging in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the page. You should see either your profile picture or your initials displayed there. Click on this icon to open a drop-down menu. In the drop-down menu, you'll want to select My Account. This will take you to your account's main settings page, where you can manage various functions related to your Zoho account. Once you're within the account settings, look for the Security section. This section will have all the options you need to maintain the safety of your Zoho account. You'll find a lot of useful options here, but for today, our focus is on the password settings. Click Password to continue. Now you'll be directed to a page where you can change your password. In order to ensure you're the rightful account owner, Zoho will ask you to enter your current password first. Go ahead and type in your existing password, taking care to input it accurately to avoid any mistakes. Next, you'll need to create your new password. Remember, a strong password typically includes a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters, and it's advisable that it be at least 8 characters long. Try to avoid using easily guessed information like birth dates or common words. Once you've decided on a new password, enter it into the appropriate field. After filling out the required fields with your current and new password, check your entries for accuracy. Once you're sure everything is correct, click on Change Password. Zoho will process your request and update your account with the new password. That's it. You've successfully changed your password. You'll receive a confirmation message letting you know the update was successful and you may be logged out of your account as a security measure. Remember to log back in with your new password and update any saved passwords on your devices. By regularly updating your password, you're taking a positive step towards keeping your account safe and secure. Thanks for following along, and we hope this guide was helpful. Make sure to subscribe for more tutorials and tips for managing your online accounts. Take care.